What's a human being gotta be like? What's a way to just be competent? These sweet instincts ruin my life. Every other day I'm wondering, was it a mistake to try and define what I'm certain's mad incompetence? These sweet instincts ruin my life. I can't smell well lips all the time. Not K through 8 nor K-9. For human, grossly underqualified. For K9, grossly overqualified. I don't blend in at PetSmart, and that truth remains for the Walmart. 'Cause in either case they say to me, what the fuck is lost in aisle 3? Every other day I'm wondering, what's a human being gotta be like? What's a way to just be competent? These sweet instincts ruin my life. Every other day I'm wondering, was it a mistake to try and define what I'm certain's mad incompetence? These sweet instincts ruin my life. Just watch me move and fall away. Nobody even knows my name, and no one suspects that I'm not fine, and nobody outs behavioral Frankenstein. Just look at Victor in LA and sit with the Y at U of A, and all the majors at the labels. Reboot as soon as I am able. Every other day I'm wondering, what's a human being gotta be like? What's a way to just be competent? These sweet instincts ruin my life. Every other day I'm wondering, was it a mistake to try and define what I'm certain's mad incompetence? These sweet instincts ruin my life. Da 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 These sweet instincts ruin my life. Da 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 These sweet instincts ruin my life.
Attention passengers, we've now reached our destination. We hope you enjoyed the flight and have a nice day.